Hi guys, welcome back to another hair review. This hair is from Yolissa hair. This came in a 613 yellow brassy blonde. However, the way I achieved this color was just super simple with 3 products only, which I will definitely leave the names in the description box down below. So I use purple shampoo, blue shampoo, and like a color gray rinse thingy. I don't know what it's called, but I'll definitely leave everything in the description box down below. So I just rinsed the hair out. I washed it a couple of times with the purple and blue shampoo. Then I soaked it into boiling water. Yes, boiling water. This was straight from the kettle. Boiling water with the purple and blue shampoo. Then obviously I just rinsed it till that yellow brassiness was just out. Even though this is not a full-blown gray color, you can still see a bit of like blonde in there, but yeah, I still like it like this. If I feel like, you know, I don't like it down the line, I might still go in with the purple and blue shampoo again and wash it out. But I feel like I like the color like this. Like, it's not fully gray, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I just like how it looks. So yeah, the lace on this wig is absolutely amazing. I really loved it. It is thin. I'm not sure if it's HD lace, I'm not too sure, but it is thin. It melts in perfectly. As always, you guys know I use my ebony spray. I used, I think, 2 layers and that was it. Yeah, and this hair really stays straight. Like, it's just silky and it's so nice. Shedding was minimal. Even after all that process of me washing it with the blue and purple shampoo, shedding was still minimal. The hair has density. I believe it's like 200 density or so. Customer service was amazing. They were really nice. They were patient with me as well because they sent me this hair. So yeah, they were really patient with me. They're really nice. Communication was super quick and easy, considering the fact that time difference and all that stuff. And yeah, I just really love this hair. Can you guys see how it melts? And the only thing I put on the lace was just a foundation, just so it can, you know, blend in with my scalp and all that stuff. I did not bleach the knots at all. I just used the purple and blue shampoo. That's all I used on this hair. I just felt like, because it's blonde hair, I didn't need to like bleach the knot or anything. And I love the way it turned out. Absolutely in love with this hair. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Love it. Yolissa hair, absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.